How to open a YouTube channel in Google Chrome. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Then log into your Google account. After you logged into your Google account, simply click on search bar and search for YouTube. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find official YouTube page. Simply click on the website and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. As you can see, YouTube has been easily opened from Google. It is directly opened from Google Chrome to YouTube. And that's how you open a YouTube channel in Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.